Meow. Meow. Passing along the gardens, or the garden is the bird of paradise. So after we cut, and then like this and look very nice. And then it's before it's high, and then now just we cut and then so short, but it look green, everything look green. It's nice. Hope you enjoy my garden. This is under the nice lit under my managing garden. Before it's empty land now, already become. Now we are taking care of the garden by watering by sexy lady. Sao vậy? Bữa nay sao là chụp ao vậy? Nhưng pra sớm mai vậy thôi sao vậy? Now without the weather, I think will be raining soon. You see the sky, and we have the lightning and like thunder sound as well. Now I'm passing along the garden. And thank you for YouTube subscriber so much for taking time to watch my channel, and hope you enjoy, and then like, subscribe, share. Okay, thank you so much for everyone always watch and support.